Yes, 99.6 of course in Radio Almarkas, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you're. How are you, sahabat Almarkas? Good, excellent, pretty good, amazing. Yes, everything. Yes, and of course, as usually every Friday at 4 until 5 p.m. Of course, we are here. We are back in BMC Corner English discussion with our friends here. But yes, but of course, I'm not alone here. We have friends from BMC, yeah, but committed or active participants. And of course, before we are going to talking about our topic for this afternoon, I would like to invite them one by one to introduce yourself. Are you ready? Udah siap belum, sahabat Amarkas wherever you are? Yes, and I would like to invite them one by one. Okay, start from you. Please introduce yourself. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your activity? And what is your hobby? Please see the camera.
Okay. Hello everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, my name is Ahmad Ariandi. You can call me Rian. My activities or my daily routine, like yeah, just now I just do the do the jogging
Mm-hmm.
every morning,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, as
Is that
usual.
your activity? Your hobby?
Not exactly.
Okay, continue, continue.
Yeah, and my hobby is playing game,
Mm-hmm.
playing mobile game or whatever it is.
Join to English community.
Yeah, join English community. Yeah.
And
What else?
okay, okay, okay. What about what is your role at BEMSI?
Okay. My role in BEMSI is I'm the active participant.
Mm-hmm. So, how do you think about Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia?
Yeah, about BEMSI. Yeah.
Yes.
BEMSI is a good place to learn English,
Uh-huh.
especially from your speaking.
Mm-hmm.
And we have a lot of friends there.
Mm-hmm.
And as usual, the topic is how to say, like,
Very
yeah,
interesting.
very interesting.
Yes.
It's really hard to discuss. I mean, yeah, it's really interest to discuss.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank
Okay,
you,
thank you.
Brian. Yeah, I'll be back to you. Yes, next, the pink one. We meet again, yeah? Okay, please introduce yourself to Sahabat Marquez. What is your name? Where do you live? What is your activity? And what is your hobby?
Oke, Kak Sam
Yes.
and sahabat Almarkas, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Radio Almarkas and Kak Sam, also the crew who invite me again. This is the second session I'm here. I'm Herawati Abuhan. My daily routine is I'm English teacher or also an English lecturer.
Yes.
My hobby are
Yes. R, yeah? Because more than one.
yeah, of
Because more than
course.
one. Uh-huh.
My hobbies are handmade, handicraft.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Uh,
Is this handicraft? No.
I really like
Flower?
I really like something beautiful
Uh-huh.
from something not usually to become a more beautiful and of course has economic values.
Makeup also?
Of course. The second one is I like traveling.
Ooh, traveling.
When I get holiday,
Mhm.
I like to go to abroad.
Okay.
And the other
Mhm.
places, yeah, because I want to know that the world is widening by
Yes.
go there.
Explore. So, what is your role at BEMC?
I'm an active participant.
Mm-hmm. And what is how do you think about Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia?
For the first, I would like to say thanks to Kak Sam ya, who
Anytime, no worries.
become the owner, the pioneer of BMC. This
Yes.
is a social organization.
Yes.
Give positive impact.
Mhm.
Invite who want to join English community. Whenever from the kindergarten
Yes.
child, man, woman, whoever want to explain their English more.
And no criteria, yeah?
No
No
criteria.
criteria.
Uh,
Everyone can be joined and
yeah,
free of charge.
yeah, free of charge
Uh-huh.
because
Okay, thank
yeah.
you. Okay, next please. The new the newcomer. Please introduce what is your name, where you live, what is your activity, what is your hobby to sahabat Omar guys.
Okay. Hello, buddy.
Hi.
My name is Resto Putra Ilahi. You can also call me Resto. Yes, I live in Desa Lonjok Boko.
Yes.
Uh,
You know?
yes. Oh yes, it's
Jalan
also still in Goa.
Mhm.
Yes, Jalan Malido.
Yes.
Yes. For my yeah. My daily routine is I'm a daily worker
Uh-huh.
and my hobbies I have so plenty of hobbies.
Yes.
Yeah.
What are they?
Oh my god. I will speed once for once. Like
Okay.
I
Spill 5.
my top five is listen to music.
Okay, why?
I really like music.
Like listening Spotify.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Okay, second is
The second is I love to reading books.
Mhm.
Yes. Watching movies and series.
Okay.
Oh. One,
How
two,
many? Yes.
oh, still three. I love playing games.
Okay.
I love playing games and
Uh-huh.
I I love to learn new things.
Ah, okay. Thank you, Resul Alphabexia. Give it applause, guys. Yes, but before we are going to enter the topic, of course, I would like to invite you guys to how to say saying more fun, more confident, more impact. Yes. Okay. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Remember? Yes. Okay, please use this. Okay, like this, more fun, more confident, more impact. Okay, one, two, one, two, three. Boomsy! More fun, more confident, more impact. Okay, once again, Boomsy! More fun, more confident, more impact. Hey, give it applause. Yes, I will Americas wherever you are. As I promised that I would like to spill the topic and we will talking about them something unique, but this phenomena is like massive, yeah, massive in this world, especially in nowadays in Gen Z, millennial, not only Gen Z, not only millennial, but all of generation. Yes, this is relate with our euphoria, our enthusiastic, our motivation, our happiness. But there are two sides about this because there is positive and negative impact. And this is and that's why we will talking about dopamine instant. Give it applause. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. First, I would like to ask Hera, Miss Hera, please. In your perspective, what is dopamine instant?
Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
please.
you. Dopamine instant it's something make people happy
Mhm,
but instantnya
mhm.
it's like they scrolling media
Yes.
social media, TikTok, what else, and something they like hanging around, something they buy, how to say that, the application
Mhm.
and see, oh, uh, uh,
Okay.
okay, Independence Day is
Uh,
mm, a big bonus, like they, and then didn't not realize that they are come to the uh something make always repetition.
so the dopamine instant is come from outside to into our self.
Uh, some
The
yeah,
stimulus. I mean.
the stimulus the stimulus is from social media,
Yes.
of course, and
Okay.
the other, but the decision is from ourselves.
Mm,
Sometimes we really easy
mm,
to
mm,
join up down, or the other side, FOMO, yeah.
fear of missing out.
Pair of
Mm.
attention.
Is this your topic?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, of course.
Flashback.
Yeah,
Uh,
we are flashback about that.
mm,
So most people using social media,
mm,
uh, using I see the data.
mm,
I see the data from the children,
mhm.
adult.
Yes.
They usually spend their time use social media.
Their time, their money.
Yeah, the
Mm.
time they made 3 to 8 hour every day,
Oh my God.
to scrolling, to
Mhm,
looking for the other, and ourselves become the big point to make decision.
mhm,
Want to follow this, or you stop it,
mhm,
because this is not permanent permanent happy, yeah. Just this area depend on you,
mhm,
so like the housewife, like
mhm,
watching drakor.
mhm.
Hmm,
Drachin.
yeah,
Drakor, Drachin.
Drachin,
Uh,
drama India also,
uh,
and the other.
okay. Keep your
Yeah,
statement. So this phenomena is stimulus from outside and come to ourselves, right? And of course, this is like make worries for from all of people. So of course, okay, but keep your statement first,
yeah,
please.
yeah.
Okay, so how do you think? What is your opinion? So no, what is your perspective about dopamine instant? What is dopamine instant in your perspective?
Oh, for my dopamine instant is like just when we have tired to our daily life,
Mm-hmm.
then we try to searching something new, something
Mm-hmm.
fun.
Mm-hmm.
So we just like we open our social media or
Mm-hmm.
playing games,
Mm-hmm.
listen to music, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But actually, sometimes it's like a little dangerous because when we seeking to them, uh, we we just wasting our time just like that.
Mm, okay, so it's similar that why this happened because there are many stimulus from outside and come to ourselves, something like
Yes.
that, and there are two side, positive and negative also, right? Okay,
Yes.
but keep your statement first. I'll be back to you. Okay, what about you? What is your opinion? No opinion, but what is your perspective about your definition about dopamine instant?
Yeah, honestly, I just know about the dopamine. I just searching in my
Mm-hmm.
Meta AI. I just asking.
Your Meta AI, not
Yeah.
our Meta AI.
No. Oh,
Okay, okay, continue.
yeah. I just know that dopamine instant is the what make us happiness
Mm-hmm.
to make us happy.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, oh, that make us happy, and then uh, make us want mm, to make us want to how to say
Addictive.
do it again.
Addictive.
Yeah, addictive. Yeah,
Yes. Addict.
yes.
Yeah, addict. Yeah.
Yeah, addict.
Uh, so, uh, is this absolute come from outside, not we produce in ourselves? Is this
Mm.
absolute from the stimulus from out?
It's come to ourselves first, but
Mm-hmm.
when someone want to how to say
Mm-hmm.
uh want to invite us to do something
Mm-hmm.
positive, yeah, and make us happy to do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, how to say? Uh, it's like yeah, eh, like we are happy to do it and want to do it again.
And repeat, edit.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. We are still here, of course. Sahabat Markas. Yeah. Wherever you are in 99.6 BMC Corner English Discussion, British English Meeting Club Indonesia, and we still continue. Yeah, in a few minutes. And before we break, yes. We move to the second question about the topic dopamine instant. So talking about dopamine instant, is this like make us very happy? Yes, but um, can you guys tell me what the concrete things, the samples as much possible, uh, the how to say the factors make this happen, not only social media, maybe the others, like how to say, like maybe game, or maybe we go to the healing or something. Could you give the sample as much possible to produce dopamine instant?
What?
Uh, I mean the how to say the causes, penyebab munculnya dopamine instant as much possible. Yeah, which one?
For me, this is my opinion, guys.
Mhm.
I'm that person who really love the new thing. So sometimes I just try the new thing, like I join this BMC.
Yes,
Yes.
Welcome. Uh-huh.
And where when I feel tired to my daily life, sometimes I just watching movies to get some motivation,
Mm,
and that really like instantly inspiring me. The second time, I listen to music. Yes, that really
Is this and music is also dopamine instant?
yes, I feel
Yes.
like that because almost my track list is really what call it
Mm-mm.
affected to my life.
Mm.
Actually.
But please, before you explain about the things about the causes of dopamine instant, please categorize this dopamine instant for good things, this dopamine
Oh
instant for
yes.
negative things. Which one?
Oh, for my good things.
Categorize,
Uh
please.
okay. Uh, for the good things, yeah. Maybe just I already saying that. For the bad things, when you start to addictive to them,
Mm,
like while you're playing games that actually is the more they feel like competition,
mm,
you know.
mm,
So you just wasting your time to playing this. You wasting your time to playing them. To what calling it to reaching the highest range.
like TikTok also dopamine release, right?
Like when you playing
Game.
playing games like Mobile Legends.
Yes.
Yes. You just want to being the winner.
Uh-huh.
You will wasting your time to playing that to get the highest tier.
Mm,
So it's bad, guys.
okay, so playing game, TikTok maybe,
Yeah,
scroll the
yes.
smartphone,
Yeah.
and what else? Dopamine instant produce. Uh, scroll the smartphone, playing the TikTok, playing the game.
Uh, but, uh,
Any else?
I think
Are you still
yes,
thinking
yeah.
about it? Okay, but the
Okay.
idea. Okay, thank you. What about you? What are the causes of dopamine instant? Apa saja yang menyebabkan dopamine instant?
There are many ways how why dopamine instant arise, because
Yes.
many people need likes.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
they are easily to get maybe post,
Mm,
uh,
mm, mm,
and then they do not become themselves.
mm, mm, mm,
Do you want to be a star? Please like this video, blah blah blah. Yeah, so do you want
Need validation in social media, yeah?
right now? Many people need validation,
Yes,
not
yes.
based our God, not based on the rule.
Mhm.
They share TikTok, Instagram, and the other social media
Mhm,
because
mhm,
they want to make
mhm,
actualism, yeah.
mhm.
So they didn't realize they make something, is it beautiful
Mhm,
or not,
mhm.
many benefit or not, but just want to their validation. They need like to reach their goals. Yeah,
Ah, okay. So actually, uh, this phenomenon make worries peoples
of course.
because sometimes frequently
Mm-mm.
oftenly
Mm.
we cannot focus
Of course.
if we always how to
Mm.
say feel effect of a dopamine instant.
Yeah.
You know, our generation, new generation, they're very attractive. They cannot
Yeah.
focus. They cannot reading for a long time.
Yeah.
They cannot only one sheet only. They can read,
Mm.
and after that skip
Yeah.
because they always got dopamine instant,
Yeah. Of
right?
course.
So this is make it worries. But keep your statement before I'm going to you. Of course, we will back after this station 99.6 Sahabat Amarkas Radio Amarkas in BMC Corner English discussion. Don't go anywhere. Yes, 99.6 Radio Almarkas, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are, we are back here in BEMC Corner English Discussion Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia. Okay, I would like to check their spirit, of course, as usually one. No, by all of, not one by one. Okay, please use this. Okay, one, two, one, two, three. BEMC.
More fun, more confident, and more impact.
Yay, giving applause. Okay, move to you.
Yes.
So, um, which one? Why dopamine instant arises? What the causes? Apa saja penyebabnya? And please categorizing. This is a positive. This is negative.
I just want to say the one of the causes, yeah.
Yes. Many
one-
causes, of course. Also, yeah, you may.
Yeah, the one of the causes of the dopamine instant, yeah, is too addicted
Too addicted from.
yeah, any else like they're addicted to playing game,
Game,
scrolling
scrolling TikTok.
TikTok, and how to say, addicted
What
to,
about pujian? Is also dopamine instant?
yeah,
Pujian?
yeah.
Why?
Rice.
Then because of how to say in English, dia kayak house,
Need
yeah, house validasi.
Which validation? Okay. My next question. Thank you. My next question is what is negative impact? Make it clear. Of course, we know in early, about the negative, but please make it clear how far the negative effect can, how to say, can create to individual or collective people of this dopamine instant. Okay, please.
Oh, well, guys, thanks for asking. Negative effect.
Yes.
That's effective. Actually, this happened to me, guys. So
Really?
yes, I
Okay.
I feel like I get brain rot. Brain rot. Brain rot. When you feel like you more easier to watch longer movies.
Okay.
Yeah, you can focus on your book anymore. So you just reading it like just one chapter, then you leave
Skip.
it. Yes, skip.
Okay.
Oh, that's really
Okay.
bad, guys.
The concentration is too short.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
What else? What else?
I feel like I'm wasting my time when I scrolling through internet.
Okay.
Yes.
Wasting the time. What else?
Maybe just that.
So of course, when you cannot concentrate, it's affect also to another things like how to say our mentality is weak first, and the second is our analyzing
Yeah.
is weak. Our how to say criticize is
It's,
weak also. The grade, I mean, and etc. Right?
yes.
Can you feel that?
Yeah. Actually, I feel that.
Lazy.
Yeah.
Yes.
When I go back to home after working, I just want to get my pillow and then scrolling through internet. Yes, it's really bad.
While lay down, sambil
Yes,
sambil
lay down.
rebahan ya.
Yes, lay down and eating my snacks.
Oh my god.
Try, guys. That's really bad.
Okay, thank you. So what about you? Yeah, the negative.
I think there are many negative effects
Mhm.
from dopamine instant. For the
Yes.
first is disturb focus.
Mm,
Ah.
mm,
Many people, not only my student, I myself, if I want to learn,
Mhm.
I learn, and my handphone beside me, well, of course, disturb me. because
Distraction. First
Distraction.
is
Yeah,
distraction.
distraction.
And
And the second is disturb my sleeping time or my resting time. Because I lay down, I use my handphone, I watching dracing until morning. Of course, my body will be weak and I should go to working.
The rest
Yeah.
is
Rest is not my resting. Yeah.
yeah.
The truth,
What else?
the truth,
This
negative,
personal experience.
yeah, the truth negative impact when I scrolling TikTok. I see, oh, this cheaper. Oh, this is big bonus.
Yeah.
I ordered it. I ordered it, and I get surprised when the things
Uh-huh.
come to me. Oh, I should pay million. Million.
Wasting
Yes,
money.
was money not important. Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah. Of course. This is a big. Big impact from the dopamine also. But right now, I try to manage myself. When I come to my home in the night, I sweep up my phone. No,
Okay.
bullshit.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
bullshit. When because if my phone on, I try to be addictive, and I I'm writing a book right now is posting social media.
okay.
So I try to post not posting my daily routine and so on.
Don't follow the negative, follow
Yeah,
the positive, yeah?
yeah. Because I was a victim. So I give solution.
Mm,
The solution is your phone will be good if you use in positive impact.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
I try to be natural
Mhm.
to manage my resting time. I manage my study time
Mm.
and so on. Because will be dangerous for my body, will be dangerous for my brain, will be dangerous for my money also.
Brain root.
Brain
Yeah.
force.
Uh.
And the first point is will destroy my healthy. Yeah. Because I didn't sleep
Mm.
watching drakor, yeah, and so on. Bullshit, yeah.
Mhm.
I say stop it. This is stupid thing I do,
Right.
and stop.
Like like the light of the handphone, it's
Yeah,
look
yeah, yeah,
like contain
yeah,
caffeine.
yeah.
We cannot sleep.
Yeah, yeah. The
Yeah,
blue, the blue,
the blue.
vibration will
Yes.
destroy our eyes.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you, Miss Hera. Okay, what about you? What is the negative impact? Maybe for your base experience, personal experience. What is the negative impact?
Yeah, the negative impact to in dopamine instant,
Mm,
yeah, make us too addicted,
first,
and we forget our routine.
second,
Um, and then
third is
uh, we we forget what we need.
okay. Third is what else?
That's all.
What about the money? You spend a lot of money more than before, no?
Yeah, I just how to say in my TikTok there are many
Shopping place,
yeah, many
marketplace.
shopping place that
Yes.
make us addicted to buy it. But
Mm-mm.
as I know, in online shop there is no how to say the cheaper price.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Whenever whenever it is the cheapest price,
Mm.
it is how to say the product is out of how to say sudah kadaluarsa.
Mm. Keep your statement.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we continue our discussion. Dopamine instant, when we translate in bahasa, is kesenangan instan. Ya, ya, kesenangan instan, kesenangan sesaat. But in other case, in other word, kesenangan also we can translate in kebahagiaan. Ya, kebahagiaan instan, kesenangan sesaat, and etc. etc. So what? Yeah. Yeah, what is the difference, guys, when you also produce the happiness hormone? Because dopamine also is happiness hormone.
Yeah,
What is the difference with another hormone happiness,
Mm.
like when you go to make social interaction, of course you happy. When you make a sport, you happy. When you got the sinar matahari pagi, you will happy. That is hormone kesenangan. When you get the money, you happy. When you, but what is the actually the different? Yeah, the different, because you a lot of hormone, happiness hormone. Yeah, I forget what are they, but maybe you can give like explanation about the kind of hormone, happiness hormone, something like that. Maybe I start from you.
Okay.
Yes. What is the difference with the another happiness
Okay.
hormone?
I think dopamine instant is in Indonesian say that kebahagiaan semu
Kebahagiaan semua.
make me addictive. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
The difference yet dopamine instant just short term. Natural dopamine when I go to jogging, when I cycling,
Mhm,
when I join to exercise,
mhm.
make my body strong, make my body we can focus.
Okay.
This is a long period. The happiness is a long period
Ah,
because consists of the process is no instant.
okay, okay.
So give benefit for my body, benefit from my brain, benefit for also my money. Oh yeah,
Okay.
because I use interaction, the real community,
Yes,
no
yes.
based on the social media.
Yes,
Because
yes.
we interaction without just video and just seeing there are so their happiness differentiate is the instant dopamine short
Okay,
the short term, yeah.
okay.
When natural is the long
Long.
because we focus on process.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the difference is the duration,
Yeah, duration.
the quality,
Yeah.
and the quantity.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you. So what about you? What is the different dopamine instant with another happiness hormone?
Okay.
Like you have a kid and you gather with your kid and you have a fish, kolam ikan. Of course, that is a hormone kebahagiaan. So, but what is the difference?
Actually, you miss already talking what by in mind. Explain so
But you
much,
may also
but
underline also
mine like
explore.
I don't know where when I talk to the real people, I feel like it's more emotional than I have chatting in social media. You know,
Mm, mm.
when we chatting with in social media, there is so much distraction. You know,
Okay, okay.
uh, I like oh yeah, while I playing games, don't know. I like real like to play games that physical game. You know,
Yeah.
yeah, like chasing,
Yeah,
making you know so okay.
different, yeah.
Yeah, that's really
Yeah, yeah,
different,
yeah.
of course. Uh, the third, well, maybe just that's
It's okay, it's okay. This is your first. This is your first time come here.
okay.
The second, the third is more easy.
Yeah.
Okay, give your statement. I will back to you. Okay, what about you? You know what I mean? My question. What is the different dopamine instant with another hormone happiness? Like when you go to the healing, you see the leaves, you see the tree, and after that you feel happy. Oh my god! And when you see your family, like a big graduation, memakai tongkat, apa toga dan sebagainya, eh, and you how to say pretend here and you're happy, what is the difference?
Yeah, since like our sister said before, the the different is uh the dopamine is how to say is a short term and
Yes.
hormone uh, uh, hormone, happiness hormone
Happiness.
is long term.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Any crew can open what kind of happiness hormone. What are they? Because a lot of happiness hormone. Please, please, maybe ada open the happiness hormone. What kind of them? I mean, the varieties. Okay, continue.
And I think that if you have how to say happiness hormone,
Yes.
you are like example, I'm here, I'm happy to
Or memorable,
yeah make memorable, yeah,
unforgettable,
unforgettable,
more satisfied.
and then how to say eh, how to say I will
Waiting you. Come on.
I will it's makes me how to say
Proud.
yeah proud of myself
Uh-huh.
that I'm here and I'm happy to be here.
And the most important is the meaning is deep,
Yeah,
deeper, deeper,
deeper.
deepest, but not deepest.
Uh,
I'm kidding. Okay, thank you.
okay,
Okay, still we are here, of course, but I would like to check your spirit, guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Pepsi. More fun, more confident, more impact. Yay, give it a plus. Yes, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are, we are still here in 99.6. Yeah, Radio Almarkas. Don't forget also listen and watch us on YouTube channel, yeah, and Radio Almarkas. And don't go anywhere. We will back after this in 99.6 BMC Corner Bridge English Meeting Club Indonesia Corner. Yes, okay, we are back, of course, in 99.6 BMC Corner English discussion with our friends, with Brian, with Miss Hera, and with Resto, of course. Give it a applause. Yes, we continue. And we're talking about the negative of dopamine instant, but actually, in dopamine itself, as long as dopamine not instant, of course also have positive
Yeah,
impact, not not absolute negative,
Mm.
as long as not dopamine instant.
Yeah.
So how do you think, guys, we're talking about the positive side of dopamine, but not dopamine instant, dopamine, yeah, because dopamine is one of the happiness hormonal, okay. In your opinion, which one is, what will we do to create dopamine? I mean, like the positive side. Yeah,
Okay.
what we'll do? Contoh-contohnya yang mana saja?
In my life, uh, last year,
Hmm.
I doing my doctoral program. So on first semester, I try to pull all of my jati. Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, I spend my time until morning. Uh, when my score come,
Mhm.
I see my score all of A. Alhamdulillah. This is
Mhm.
dopamine because I do long process, a smart work, a hard working, and I
Okay.
see Alhamdulillah. You see, my score high
Mhm.
effort and get high score.
Like a reward, yeah?
Yeah,
Reward.
this reward.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah ya Allah. This my effort was the same. The result is the same of my expectation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is not instant dopamine.
Uh,
Because I do the true process.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I got the point. What about you? Which one? What will we do to create, to produce the dopamine, but not instant dopamine? Because dopamine is positive.
Oh yeah.
Mhm.
Actually, like last year, I have a mini depression. I depression about my life.
Oh
Yeah.
my God. Uh-huh.
That's very bad.
Okay.
So when I just try to be more social, when I just try to make many friends, new
Mhm.
friends,
Mhm.
I feel wow. When we sharing story each other, I get inspiration. That's
Mhm.
really restoring my mood, restoring my business. Yeah.
Recharging.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, like that.
Uh-huh.
So sometimes I just feel like uh what call it a simple thing that you have today, and maybe it's a dream for others. So uh, after that, I feel like I must stronger than before. I'm better than before.
Oh, good. Good
Yeah.
motivation. Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you? What is the difference, dopamine and dopamine instant?
Yeah, like you said before,
Mm.
dopamine instant is not always positive,
Mhm.
but dopamine is a positive way
Yes.
to do.
Which one is the positive for dopamine?
Yeah, like exercise every day,
Okay.
and you lost your weight.
Oh, menurunkan berat badan.
Yes,
Uh-huh. And
and you are like, yeah, this is the effect
mhm.
of my dopamine.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay.
yeah, I feel happy, and uh, this is the reward of my effort every
Uh-huh.
day.
Uh-huh. Okay. So my last question. Is this the last? Oh my God. We still have 8 minutes. We still have 8 minutes. So what will we do to minimize dopamine instant?
Minimize
Mhm. And what is your conclusion?
to minimize uh to minimize the dopamine instant, yeah.
Mhm.
Don't, yeah, like I said before, don't too addicted.
Don't too addicted.
Yeah,
Keep
don't
away.
keep away.
Discipline.
Yeah, discipline.
Yes.
I mean,
Jaga iman.
yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah, I don't say you have to stay. You have to how to say
Mhm.
uh, to not doing that,
Uh-huh.
but stay away.
Okay, your conclusion, please. Make it short.
Okay, my conclusion for this topic for
This topic
for
for
this
this
afternoon,
afternoon. Yes.
yeah. Dopamine instant is there is a positive and negative.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just take the positive, stay away from the negative.
Throw the negative,
True.
take the positive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then when you put in the suit and the mask, no? Kidding. Okay, thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, before I'm going to or move to the next speaker, of course, guys, maybe if we still have a spare time, you can prepare your vocabularies, your wisdom, look how to say, wise word, yeah,
Nice one.
and yeah,
Good.
and etc. Okay, next, the same question, similar. Please take the microphone. So, how to minimize the dopamine instant, and what is your conclusion about our topic?
Okay, my conclusion is us we should manage ourselves.
We should manage
Of
ourselves.
course, when I use handphone,
Okay.
I use for positive.
Mm-hmm.
When I scrolling Drachin, Drakor or TikTok as well, I just give okay 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. After that,
Okay.
stop.
Okay.
And right now I do in my home. When I come to my home and
Mhm.
night, automatically I switch off my handphone.
Okay.
I try to focus resting
Mhm.
because I have a daily routine.
Hectic.
Hectic, very hectic, you know. Yeah. So I really need a good health. And then when I enough to resting, I will be making love with Allah.
Masya Allah.
Tahajud in
Khusyuk, focus.
so
Yes.
I can focus.
Ah,
I can save my money, of course, because no uh get influence from the Shopee, from the
okay.
TikTok, and so
Okay.
on. The conclusion, I will give pantun ya.
Yes. Okay.
Pantun.
Say
Pantun
cakep
cakep
ya.
ya. Oke,
Yes.
manusia terbaik adalah manusia yang mampu mengatur dirinya sendiri.
Cakep.
HP di tangan kamu, surga nerakamu.
Cakep.
Cakep. Kalau kamu mau surga, klik yang positif saja.
Yay, cakep. Thank you. Okay, what about you? How to minimize the dopamine instant? What is your conclusion?
Oh, for me, it's just simple. I just doing the real activities,
Mm-hmm.
not much hard, but just simple, like simply like washing your dishes, laundry your clothes. Yes. Yeah. Trying to reconnect.
Go to kebun.
Yeah. Trying to reconnect to Mother Nature. Okay.
That's
That's
it.
all.
Okay, thank you so much. Give a applause. Thank you so much, guys, for coming here in our lovely program, Rich English Meeting Club Indonesia Corner. And thank you for coming, Restu from Lunjuk Boku, Kecamatan Paralel, Kabupaten Goa.
Thank-
It's very complete. Thank you, Miss Hera, for coming. Thank you, Brian, for coming here. And give a applause. Okay, before we leave, of course, before we end this program, we'd like to check your spirit. 1, 2, 3. Bemsi, more fun, more confident, more once again, Bemsi, more fun, more confident. Okay, give it a plus. Once again, thank you so much for coming. That's all, sahabat Amarkas, wherever you are. Our program, yeah, English program, of course, discussion, and the topic is dopamine instant, 99.6 Radio Almarkas. And don't forget to watch and listen, of course, in 99.6, especially in our program, yeah, in BMC Corner English Discussion, every Friday at 4 until p.m. in next week. That's all our program for today. Thank you very much for coming. kind attention. Good afternoon, bye evening. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.